Hello ma'am, I am Charvi Alvi Cortez and this is my final activity 8, lesson 30, ultrasonic sensor with LCD. So this is the code. So first we have the library and the LCD setup. So kani siya helps control the LCD via I2C. Kani set up ang 16 by 2 LCD with ISO I2C address 0 by 27. Tapos dere kani ultrasonic sensor pins. So kani sense ultrasonic pulses, kani listens to the reflected pulses. Tapos kani muna to ang variable for distance calculation. So let's move on to the setup. Void setup. So ganito void setup, it prepares the LCD and configures the ultrasonic sensor pins. So sa void loop, void loop, there is a void loop. So it triggers pulse. So it triggers pulse by 10 high signal. It sends to trig pin to emit an ultrasonic sound. Tapos echo the measurement. So kaning pulse in, it measures how long this duration it takes for the sound to bounce back sa atong echo pin. Tapos distance calculation nara. So sound of speed of sound 343 m by second, or tapos since the sound travels to the object and back, we have the distance, this one, morning calculation itong speed. So LCD display, i-clear pa niya, tapos i-display tara ang distance, then volume 3.